जीतेगा?
इंडिया जीतेगा।
Who are the champions?
India champions!
Who are the champions?
India champions!
We will win. We
Hmm.
will
Win!
India.
We will win!
India.
We will win!
India.
जीतेगा।
Chak de.
India!
Chak de.
India!
चक दे। एक बार चक दे।
इंडिया।
दूसरी बार चक दे।
इंडिया।
चक दे।
इंडिया।
ఇంకా అట్లా పట్టుకొని నిల్చోండి.
Wish you all the best, India, for Champions Trophy. Virat, go on. You are our inspiration. All the best, India.
Yeah, all the best, India Champions Trophy 2020-25. We had a great team so far. If you compare with any other countries, we had a great team. If you take the top order, right, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, and if you take the middle order, Akshar Patel, Shreyas Iyer. As you know that we had a great middle order team as well. As you know that we had a great bowling team as well. Mohammad Shami, Harshit Rana, Varun Chakravarti, Hardik Pandya. Okay, so one more thing we just want to let you know, as a team, we are the kids, we are inspired by you guys. We are hoping for the Champions Trophy 2025 will definitely win. We are hoping for that, and Indian people will definitely enjoy seeing, lifting up the trophy. All the best, India 2020-25.
जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा।
इंडिया जीतेगा!
जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा।
इंडिया जीतेगा!
चक दे।
इंडिया!
चक दे।
इंडिया।
Who are the champions?
इंडिया।
Who are the champions?
इंडिया।
Who are the champions?
इंडिया। इंडिया।
चक दे।
इंडिया।
All the best.
India!
All the best.
इंडिया।
All the best.
इंडिया।
चक दे। ले। चक दे।
इंडिया।
चक दे।
इंडिया!
जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा।
इंडिया
जीतेगा!
जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा।
इंडिया जीतेगा!
Who are the champions?
इंडिया champions!
Who are the champions?
इंडिया champions!
Who are the champions?
इंडिया champions!
Who are the heroes?
इंडिया heroes!
Who are the heroes?
इंडिया हीरोज।
चक दे।
इंडिया!
चक दे।
इंडिया।
All the best.
इंडिया!
All the best.
इंडिया!
Who are the heroes?
इंडिया heroes!
Who are the heroes?
इंडिया हीरोज।
चक दे।
इंडिया!
जीतेगा।
India.
వాసవి నోమో రైట్ నీ పైన ఇట్లా కూర్చో. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్
इंडिया!
ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్
इंडिया!
ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్
इंडिया!
ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్
इंडिया!
కమ్మ పెట్టండి. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్
इंडिया!
ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్
इंडिया!
ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్
इंडिया!
ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్
इंडिया!
ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
इंडिया!
Wishing Team India a very all the best for the Champions Trophy 2025. We have already done it in 2002, 2013, and it's time for us to win in 2025 also. We have already faced New Zealand in the year 2000, and we should win this time. All the best for our Team India.